So you have made the decision to schedule your posts for your launch party. Awesome. So you're not going to be using Bizly. So today we're going to show you how to post in your party with the scheduled post option. It's pretty simple. So in the Read the Rainbow template, you should have already downloaded the graphics and the videos. And so we're going to be going to the script here. So assuming you've already posted your description and your welcome, we're going to post some beginning posts. So we're going to do this, how familiar are you with UBAM first? So we're just going to go here and we're going to copy. We're going to go to our group, back to the home page here, and you're going to post it just as if you were posting a regular post. So you're going to find the graphic. No. Here we go. And then you're going to go here and you're going to click schedule. If I do two in a day, I like to do one in the morning and one in the evening. But if I'm just doing one, I do it in the evening. So I'm going to schedule that. Go back to your template. We'll do the reading post too. So just copy it. Go to your group. Paste it. Find the graphic, schedule the post, and schedule. Okay, once that is all done, you're going to go over to schedule post. We're going to take a look at this. So Facebook loves to sometimes drop your post as a question or a listing, and so we want to change that. So this is marked as a listing, so let's see. Turn off sale format. So if you click this delete listing, it's going to delete your whole post. So we're going to toggle over to the three dots, turn off sale format. Okay. So it says to refresh. And let's check it out now. So everything looks good. It looks perfect to go out. And then you can see here the date and time that it's supposed to go. If you need to reschedule the post, you can do it here or post it now here. So it's as simple as that. You're going to do that for all of your posts except for the prize winner post because you're going to manually post that. But you want to go ahead and do that, all of these right away, so you don't have to think about it. You can just get on and comment, especially during the party, because sometimes the videos do take a little bit of time to load and you don't want to be sitting there with your party guests with a scroll while it's loading. So pretty simple. Thanks for joining me.